Hello everyone, welcome back to the series, French for Beginners, Lesson 13, Means of Transport. Let's get started. The train is le train. The car is la voiture. The bus is le bus. The boat is le bateau. The bicycle is le vélo. The plane is l'avion. The metro is le métro. The taxi is le taxi. On foot is à pied. We have just learned different means of transport. Let's learn how to put them into a sentence. Before the means of transport, we need to put in a preposition. They are broadly divided into two types, on and à. For on, they have train, bus, voiture, bateau, avion, métro, taxi. For à, they have pied and vélo. Here are two examples. Je vais à la mairie en voiture. I go to the town hall by car. And the other example is Je vais à la poste à pied. I go to the post office on foot. Alright, now you are ready to do some mix and match. For example, you can choose the subject, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, and you can choose the destination, au restaurant, à la poste, à la piscine, aux États-Unis, and you can choose the means of transport, en train, à pied, en bus, en avion. And of course, there are many different combinations. You can choose the subject, you can choose the destination, and by the way, you can revise different destinations by reviewing the last video, and of course you can choose the means of transport. So let's do some mix and match. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.